I've witnessed a unique combination of two industries, raising snakes to produce leather for fashion and growing worms to sell to China. This innovative business model generates millions of dollars every year. Let's explore this unique world in more detail in the following article. In the snakeskin industry, ever-evolving market demand has opened up new business opportunities and provided employment opportunities for many people. Today's snake farming industry is very diverse in scale and farming methods and contributes to the sustainability and sustainable development of the livestock and leather production industries globally. Products made from snakeskin are not only fashion items, but also symbols of luxury and sophistication. With their natural beauty and high durability, snakeskin products attract consumer attention and provide significant business opportunities for companies and designers worldwide. At snake farms, the breeding process is carried out meticulously and technically, from incubation of eggs, care of baby snakes, to care of adult snakes. Each snake can lay a different number of eggs each year, from a few to hundreds. However, waiting for the eggs to hatch and become baby snakes is very difficult, lasting from 2 to 3 months, requiring careful care and patience. The snake farming process is an indispensable part of the industry and is the deciding factor in the final quality of the product. To ensure food quality and safety, snake farming must be done responsibly and scientifically. Each method has advantages and disadvantages, from closed systems to large outdoor areas. However, the most important factor is maintaining the snake's living environment and healthcare. The process of skinning each snake is an artistic step, requiring the skill and care of the artisans. Every move is done by hand, from peeling the skin off the meat to cleaning the skin perfectly. After being cleaned, the snake skin will be moved to the drying and storage area. This is where they are carefully preserved, waiting to be ready to be handed over to traders. This feels like a leap from the delicate handmade process to anxiously waiting for exquisite and unique snakeskin products. Let's turn to the animal that makes us feel the most useful, earthworms. Worm farming not only brings a stable source of income, but also opens up potential business opportunities. With low initial investment costs, requiring only some simple materials such as straw, manure, and coconut fibre. farmers can create an ideal living environment for worms to grow. The most important thing is to maintain proper humidity in the earthworm's habitat. This ensures that they will grow and stay healthy. Watering with mist sprinklers is an effective solution to help maintain ideal humidity without affecting the health of earthworms. After about 3-4 months of farming, the earthworms have grown large enough and mature enough to harvest. Once they have reached the appropriate size, earthworms are harvested using methods such as gently digging the soil or attracting them with light. This process must be done carefully to ensure the quality of the final product. Harvested earthworms need to be thoroughly washed and dried before processing. Dried earthworms are appreciated for their longevity and stronger medicinal properties than fresh earthworms. With the ability to raise earthworms at home or in a small space, some individuals can earn a steady income from this job. A person can earn about $100,000 per month from catching, processing, and selling earthworms in the market. This is a significant source of income and provides financial independence and future business growth opportunities. Earthworm farming has applications not only in agriculture, but also in the field of medicine. Research has shown the potential of earthworms in treating many different diseases, opening up many new opportunities in this field. The video ends here, and we have just explored the different emotional aspects of the livestock farming process, which brings high profits to farmers, improves employment, and promotes a strong economy. Thank you all for watching. If you find this content interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to watch other unique videos.